Isn't it amazing to be able to customize anything you want? I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the BlazeX M3 10-watt laser engraver. It comes with everything that you need. You're just going to put together the outer shell, connect that to the laser. You're going to follow some tutorial videos that explain how to get the software onto your computer. Once that's installed, you can now just plug your laptop directly to the etcher. Focusing the etcher is also very easy. You're going to put it right up against the item, and you also can gauge the positioning. It shows you where the etcher is going to actually cut, and you can adjust that as need be. After I brushed it off, I just loved the crisp, beautiful edges of the design. It does such a quick quality job. It usually takes about 10 minutes depending on what you're trying to do. And it was just so much fun figuring out this amazing etcher. I like that it came with a bunch of different material for me to test on: stone, metal, cork. I just can't wait to go to town on this thing. I absolutely loved it, and I'm ready for my creativity to soar. But that's just my point of view.